So student, in this exercise 3.2, we are going to draw front view, top view and side view using first angle projection system. Now as a part of strategy, first we are going to draw this line having 90 dimensions. At the end, we are going to draw the vertical line of 24 millimeter, and from the middle point we will try to draw these two circles at a distance of 60 millimeter having dimension of 24 and 46. After that, we will connect these tangent lines in the front view. Then we will draw these two circles and we will fillet these ends. And along that, we are try to draw these edges or this extruded part which is hidden from the front side as a hidden view in a front view. After that, we may draw a top view or simply side view, right? So based on that, we have to create a box for the simplicity. So this box will have a dimension of, let's say, the maximum dimension is 94, vertical is 62 plus the diameter is 46. So 60 and half is 23. So it is 83. So the vertical height is 83. Okay. And the depth is 18 plus this 12. So 18 plus 12 plus this 5. So total is 35. So this is going to be 35 dimensions. So within this, we have to draw this front view and top view and side view. So let's switch over to the AutoCAD to complete the exercise. Let's draw this line of 90 millimeter, downward 24, then repeat it again 24. Okay, let's draw the circle from the midpoint. So let's start the midpoint. So we'll track it by 60 millimeter dimensions, D space 46, then diameter D is 24. Now let's try to complete this line and make it tangent. Shift right click, tangent. Okay. Now either we can draw another line over here or we can simply mirror it. So, but I'm going to draw it. So from here, shift right click, tangent. Right. Now let's draw this rib having 8 mm dimensions. So from the mid, I will go left side by 4 mm and simply I will zoom it and shift right click, or sorry, I will simply drop it over here. Now I will draw another line from here, from the right side by 8 dimensions, and I will close it over here. Now I will trim out unnecessary part to make the rib in the front. Now let's draw the circle having dimension of 12, which is situated from this left corner by 18 and vertically also 18. So circle, shift right click from here, shift at the rate 18 comma minus 18. Okay, D space 12. Now let's mirror this. So use the mirror command and select this and from middle to middle. Okay. Now let's try to draw this behind protruded part which having dimension of 30 and depth is 5 mm. Okay. So it will be the simply hidden part. So let's draw length. From here it is 15 and we'll extend like this. So from here it is 30. Okay, and we'll extend like this. And now I will simply trim this part. Okay, now let's draw the center lines. So here this will be the center line like this. Okay. Then for the circles, smaller circle, again I will draw like this. Okay. And horizontally here from zoom in. Okay. Now I will copy this center line. So it will be having symmetricity for another circle. Okay. Almost the front view is completed. Let's try to draw the side view. So for the side view, leave certain dimensions. Let's say I'm going to start over here. So depth will be 12 and 17 and this 35. So let's set 35. So this will be, again, let's make the box of 30 by 35. Now by mistake I have drawn on center line layer, so I will drop it to this part, okay, and reinitiate the objective layer. Now let's try to draw the geometry in a left hand side view. Now here this is 5 millimeters, so I will offset this O space by 5 distance like this, okay, and similarly I will also offset by 18 millimeter, okay. Now let's draw the hidden part of main circle. So here it will be, and probably, hidden line will be of inner circle. So from here to 35, okay. Same repeat from here, right side 35, okay. Now for the outside circle, larger circle, I will draw from here these to 18 millimeter, okay, and I will trim unnecessary part, this part and this part, okay. Now let's draw the rib in a side view, okay. So hopefully this is clear. Now only part left out is this small circle, okay. So let's draw the line from here. It will be from here to, let's say dimension is 12, okay. Similarly let's draw from here, it is 12, but we have to drop it to the hidden layer because they are hidden in side view. Now let's draw the center line. So here project it like this, zoom in, so this will define circle in a side view. Similarly let's draw the center line over here like this, and also for side view, right? I hope it is clear. Save your drawings. Now let's draw top view. So for top view, project like this and try to draw the box. The maximum depth will be 35, okay. So let's complete it. Again I made a same mistake, I drawn in wrong layer, so let's move it and reinitiate to the objective layer 0. Now let's complete the part, okay. So let's copy the center line first. So initiate the center line like this and move it like this, okay, done. Now if you look at from the top, you will see that the top part, that is this part, is having 30 and 5 millimeter protruded part. So I will draw on a back side. So O space 5 is a difference, so this is the 5 things, okay. Now let's draw from here, and this is 5, okay, but again this is wrong. Let's draw on a white or objective line, I mean to say. So let's complete another line. I will use mirror line to complete this part, okay. Now let's trim this part and this part, this part and this part, okay. Now let's complete the top part having width 12 millimeter. So O space 12. So this will be the 12 part, okay. Now let's try to draw over here. This is 18. I hope orthographic projection is clear to you. I just try to draw the projections methods, okay. Now from here let's draw this part having 18, then again repeat the line, project it, from here it is again 18. So simply I have drawn the top view of a rib, okay. Now let's trim out unnecessary part, this part, okay, and this part. Now let's try to complete the hidden portions. So start the hidden line. Now here I will draw up to 35. Okay. Again from here to here 35. Okay. Now let's draw this part. Okay. So here it will be from here to it is 12. Okay. Now let's draw again. Here it is 12, which is the thickness of the part. So let's draw center line. Switch over to center line and project it like this. Okay. Now what we can do, we simply mirror these three entity. So that will speed up our drawing practice like this. And from here to here. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. I choose a wrong options of mirroring. So mirror, select this, right click. This will be the part. Okay, no. So this is how you can complete the exercise. Now let me change the color of this part. So it little highlight. Okay, it will be easy for you to see the hidden lines. Now the one thing is left out is to draw this fillet. So let's say fillet F space, radius is 10, and I will choose multiple options. So this part, this part, this part and this part. You can have a different method of completing the same exercise. You may draw a circle first, then you may draw the smaller circle on the top. It's up to you, but you have to draw the correct orthographic views.